So in this video we are going to learn what are all the settings we are going to concentrate when we are going to take a picture. Okay, so here you can see there are so many here you can see there are so many information being displayed. So we'll see what each one of them uh, does, right? So we'll see what each one of them does. So first we have the here we have the mode. So if you are in manual mode, it's going to say M. If you are in aperture value, it's going to say AV. If you are in time value, it's going to say TV. Okay, this is the name of the mode. And then you have your shutter speed. So shutter speed is indicated by 1 by, or if you go very low you can say double quotes, that is seconds. So this is your shutter speed, right? And then you have your aperture value. So aperture value is indicated by f 2.5, f 4, f 4.5. So we have name of the mode, then we have shutter speed, then we have aperture value, then we have ISO. So when we want to change ISO, we can use the touch screen Q, and then we can touch this and then change this, or we also have a direct button for that here, ISO. Can you see ISO? So you just have to click on that and then you will be able to select the particular ISO that you want. So name of the mode, shutter speed, aperture and ISO. So this here is the light meter. It is going to tell us whether our picture is going to be dark or light. So you can see now the meter shows below -3, which means the picture is going to be much darker. So I'm going to bring down my shutter speed. I'm also going to bring down my aperture. So now you can see if I use 1 by 100 and 1.8, whatever I'm focusing on is going to be properly exposed. That's why it says 0. So if it is on the plus side, it's going to be very bright. If the indication is going to be on the left side towards negative side, photo is going to be dark. Okay, so we'll do a small experiment and we'll see how the pictures turn out, right? So now we have everything in focus. We are going to have things in focus. We'll click the picture. Let's see how it turns out. So we know that the picture turned out pretty much okay. Little bit of dark, right? So it's showing dark. So now I'm going to reduce the shutter speed to make it a little bit brighter. So this is the proper exposure. So let's take a picture and find out. So this is the difference between the previous picture and this one. Can you see how it's exposed? So now let's check out what happens if we go further down and if we overexpose. Now you can see the settings are there towards the positive side. So it's going to be overexposed. So can you see how the picture is very bright? So especially if you can zoom in. So can you see there is no detail in these areas? So that is called overexposure. So using this light meter, we will know whether the picture is going to be overexposed or underexposed. To bring the light meter, you just have to half press your shutter. If you press it, automatically it will say the setting, whether it's going to be too bright or too dark. So these are the important settings on the top, right?